Discover how industrial wireless sensor networks are transforming smart manufacturing and automation across industries. The market is projected to grow over $14.4 billion by 2032 with a CAGR of 13.7%. Wireless sensor networks enable real-time communication and control in industrial environments, enhancing productivity and safety. The rise of Industry 4.0 and demand for predictive maintenance are accelerating the adoption of wireless sensors. High initial investment and performance limitations can slow down adoption, especially for small-scale industries. Precision agriculture and smart farming offer new growth areas for wireless networks in environmental monitoring. The market is segmented by component, sensor type, wireless technology, and end-user industries. Asia-Pacific leads with rapid industrialization, while North America and Europe push growth through automation and innovation. Top players like Honeywell, ABB and Advantech are driving the market with innovations in wireless sensing and integration.